even if versus even though. We start with the theory and then we move to the practice. Stay tuned because we have a good practice. So even if is conditional. It means this thing may happen as it may not. For example, even if it rains and it's not raining yet and we're not sure whether it rains or not. Even though is real situations. It means 100% sure. For example, even though it's raining and now it's raining, we can see it raining. So the situation is real. Another example for you to understand better. I will tell the truth even if they fire me. Even if they fire me. They may fire me as they may not fire me after telling the truth. So whatever the condition is, I will tell the truth. That's the difference between even if and the normal conditional if. She went to school even though she was sick. She was sick 100%. However, she challenged the situation and she went to school. So even if when you decide to do something, whatever the condition is, you decide to do something, whatever the condition is. It's not based on the condition we see. No, you do something and then let the condition comes. For example, I will stick to my principles even if I'm alone. So I don't wait to see whether I'm alone or not so that I stick to my principles or no. Even if I'm alone, I will stick to my principles. And you may be alone as you may not. Many supporters maybe you will get. Even though is when you decide to challenge the situation. You go against it. Contrast. For example, he went swimming, even though the flag was red. And when the flag is red, it means swimming is prohibited. Swimming is not allowed. So what you are doing, you are challenging the current situation. All right? So here is a quiz so that we check whether we understood the difference between them or not. So quiz, even if versus even though. Fill in the blank with even if or even though. Number 1, I'm going for a walk. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. It means right now it's raining. So I'm going to challenge the situation. Therefore, even though is the right option. So usually people don't walk under the rain. However, I'm going to do that. So even though it's raining, I'm going for a walk. Number 2, she will. We're talking about the future. She will come to the party. She doesn't know anyone there. It's 50-50, and we're talking about something not yet happened. So the right option is even if. Number 3, gap. He studied hard in the past. He still failed. Studying hard leads to success, right? So studied hard led to failure. It means we are talking about two opposite things. Therefore, the right option is even though. Even though he studied hard, he still failed the test. 4th sentence, he won't apologize. He realizes he was wrong. He will not apologize. He realizes he was wrong. In this case, we're talking about even if, because he may realize he was right. Okay? So it can be right, it can be wrong. Number 5, I'm tired. I will help you with your homework. Right now, I feel tired. However, I decide to do something in the future. So here we are talking about challenging the current situation, which is even though. Even though I'm tired, I need rest, right? No, I will help you with your homework. Don't worry. Number 6, I'll go hiking tomorrow. Tomorrow, the weather is bad. Tomorrow, the weather may be good. So we're not talking about a 100% situation. We're just predicting. So the right answer is even if. Number 7, she bought the dress. It was too expensive. If something is expensive, we usually don't buy it. Even though it was expensive, she bought it. So she bought the dress even though it was too expensive. Too, remember, we have a lesson about too versus very. Go and check it out. Number 8, they invite me, I'm not going. So they invite me as they may not invite me. So it's 50-50. The right answer is even if. Even if they invite me, I am not going. They may not invite me. I'm just imagining the situation. Number 9, he continued to argue. Everyone else agreed. Okay, we agree with you. Stop arguing. Even though. The right answer is even though. So he continued to argue even though everybody agreed with him. Number 10, I wouldn't eat that food. I were starving. So here we're talking about imaginary situation. It means conditional type 2. I plus were, would plus infinitive. So I wouldn't eat that food even if I were starving. Here we're talking about an imaginary situation. Imaginary situation means you imagine a situation and you build a decision based on it, even though that situation doesn't exist. All right, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we will get back to you very soon. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe if you are new. Take a good care of yourselves. Keep learning. Keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Bye-bye.